Hi, good morning. So for this video, we have an argument entitled pro-math and anti-math. So we have to justify ourselves whether we're favor in pro-math or in anti-math. Okay, so here's the situation. On the 11th day of April, there comes a meeting between the groups of pro-math and the anti-math. The meeting is all about the removing or not the general mathematics in course in all higher education institution of the Philippines. Pro-math is against the removal of the said subject and the anti-math is in favor for the removal. So pro-math and anti-math. So for me, I choose the side of pro-math, which is against the removing of the said subject. So first we have to tackle about what is math. So according to the Home 2013, mathematics is the science that deals the logic of shape, quantity, and arrangement. Math is all around us in everything we do. It is building the block of everything in our daily lives, including mobile device, architecture, and ancient and modern art, money, engineering, and even sports. In mathematics, reveals the hidden patterns that help us understand the world around us. Now, much more than arithmetic and geometry, mathematics today is a diverse discipline that deals with data, measurements, and observations from science with inference, deduction, and proof, and with mathematical models of natural phenomena of human behavior and of social system. As a practical matter, mathematics is a science of patterns and order. Its domain is not molecules or cells but numbers, chance, forms, algorithms, and chains. As a science of abstract objects, mathematics relies on logic. In research from Wikipedia Contributors 2020, mathematics is the study of numbers, shapes, and patterns. The word comes from the Greek word, mathema, meaning science, knowledge, or learning, and is sometimes certain to math. Mathematics is useful for solving problems that occur in the real world. So many people besides mathematicians study and use mathematics. So today, some mathematics is needed in many jobs. People working in business, science, engineering, and construction need some knowledge of mathematics. Whatever the reasons, mathematics definitely is a useful way to think about nature. What we want it to tell us about the patterns we deserve? There are many answers, which is different to organize the underlying patterns and regularities in the most satisfying way to predict our nature we behave, to control our own ends, to make practical use of what we have learned about our world. So mathematics help us to do all things, and often it is an indispensable steward. Why math is important? So math is very important in our daily lives. In reality, it is implemented everywhere. It is useful for solving problems that occur in real world. So for example, you're buying in the market, then we have to calculate how much we pay and etc. So just like that. So these are the following reasons that makes the mathematics as a powerful. So math is involved around us. So it is an essential and powerful discipline in today's world. Our perspective of the important issues facing us as individuals, families, businesses, and nations. So it provides an effective way of building mental discipline. So it improves mental rigor for developing logical, analytical, and problem-solving skills. Math is very important because, for example, in research, so the math is important because we have in interpreting the data, it's like that. So we have to calculate in order to provide a conclusions. So mathematics is logical, fun, and challenging. So why do remove the math? Yeah. So we have to enjoy our daily lives by simply enjoying the math. And that would be all. Thank you.